Welcome to part 3 of our 4-part series covering why you should be considering OTC DAIHEN for your advanced welding and robotic systems. This session will cover Simple Solutions, which is focused on our pre-engineered robotic weld cells and our robotic systems, and what makes them the easiest to use and implement in the industry. The technology from OTC DAIHEN enables simple solutions. The first set of those is our pre-engineered, production-ready robotic weld cells. There are 14 unique cells with 10 unique robot models and 8 unique welding power sources and 10 unique welding positioners. And what that equates to is over 11,000 varieties of robotic weld cells that we can produce for you. These can go quickly into production and begin realizing return on investment for all of our customer base. Our unique robot models represent 40 years of advancement in robotic welding automation. We are now into our 9th generation of design, and our 10th generation is on the way, and we'll be excited to introduce that later this year. These 11 robot models include 5 7-axis series robots that swivel in the middle. These are unique to the industry, and the quantity and variety that we have lead applications that require their flexibility. Our welding power source and its high-speed network to our robot controller deliver seamless integration. This means really less trouble for our customers that implement our technology, and all of the welding teaching and operation occurs through our single touchscreen pendant. There really is no finger pointing when you implement a DAIHEN welding robot, because everything is integrated and we produce it all, from the wire feeder to the torch, the welding power source to the robot controller to the pendant. It's all DAIHEN product. For more about OTC DAIHEN, visit us on the web at www.daihen-usa.com.